is there a difference between an ETF and an index fund? Yeah. So I'll show you what an ETF is, and I'll talk about index funds too. So an ETF, think about Venn diagrams. An ETF can be an index fund, and it can include that, but it's best for me to show you an example. So let's go to finance.yahoo.com, and never pay for any software, please, when it comes to stocks. But if we type in SPY, okay, and this here is an ETF representing an index, the S&P 500 index, okay, and the holdings of the S&P 500, and let me just hide my ugly mug here so you can see what's underneath me. The holdings here of the S&P 500, it's in these 11 sectors here, okay, and then the top 10 stocks are listed here in this index. So this is an exchange traded fund for you to buy the S&P 500, meaning the 500 stocks that broadly represent the American economy. In terms of the pricing, this is important, it's really cheap. It's 0.09% to invest in this ETF. This ETF is an index because this index is the SPY index fund. There are other ETFs that are not an index. So if I want to just buy gold, GLD, okay, which is the best way to buy gold, which is how I do it, I buy ticker GLD. This is an ETF, but it's not an index because the only thing that's in this thing is gold, right here, gold. So GLD is an example of an ETF that is not an index. And there's many other examples too. You can do silver if you want to. You can also do oil drillers, the OIH, right? And this is an index of, or an ETF of just a bunch of drillers, okay, like Transocean and a bunch of others. Yeah. And there you can actually look and get ETFs for every country as well, indexes. So EWC is for Canada, represent, that's where I'm from originally. You can do it for Brazil, which is EWZ. I have to say Z, that's how we say it in Canada, yeah, etc. And if you have additional questions, let me know, please.